What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So these have been out for a while. I ended up picking these up because Samsung had last week, and it may be still going on, a deal where if you turn in any pair of earbuds, wired or wireless, then you could get these for $99. They didn't specify what type of earbuds they had to be. Just said you trade them in. You can get these for $99. If you're a student, you can get them for $89. If you're a government worker, military worker, then you also could get a discount as well. And they also threw in this UV sanitizer with wireless charging as well in the package, in the deal. So I ended up getting mine for under $100. This and this, and I'm gonna send in this. So if the link is still active, then I'll include it down below. So this is a sanitizer that they sent out as well, included. This Samsung sanitizer. I'll take a look at that later, but this mainly is because of these. Now, I've had the Buds Plus before, but I had them in black, and I always wanted them in red. And to get them for that price, I think it was a great price because, as you guys know, if you've been following my channel, I have the Samsung Chromebook in red. So I said this is a perfect opportunity to pick this up, and it'll go excellent with that. And then as I was looking around, I said, man, you know what? I'm in the Samsung ecosystem deep here. I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. I got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So I'm deep in this, and I didn't even realize it was happening till it happened. So let's take a look at these earbuds and see what they're about. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the Buds Plus. So here's the box. As you can see, Samsung Buds Plus. These came out a while ago, first beginning of the year. And I did have the black ones when I had the Samsung Galaxy S20. So as you can see on the back, this has 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clear voice call, and Qi compatible wireless charging. These are tuned by AKG. So let's jump into the box and check them out. And I mainly picked these up because of this red color. I didn't really need any more wireless buds, but I had to get this red. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So you get this little box here. So you get your charging cable, type C to type A, and you also get your extra ear tips, wings, right there for different sizes, so you can find what you need for your size of ears. And normally with me here lately, the ones that come out of the box would normally fit my ear. So let's take a look at the buds here, and they got them in there pretty good. Nothing else down in the bottom of the box. You get some paperwork here, and I always do that. In the paperwork, you just get your quick start guide. So that's the only thing you get in there. This is a great deal to me for less than $100. So here are the buds. Let's get that off of there. And wow, I like red. Red is one of my favorite colors. So there it is. As you can see, you got a little Samsung branding on it there, tuned by AKG. You got a little indicator bulb light there, and your type C charging port. This is beautiful, man. Has a candy apple type of red. It's a little bit different red than this, but this is still gonna be boss. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That red and black is beautiful, man. So I kind of wish on my Chromebook here, I kind of wish the keys were black and that would be dope. But this still stands out a whole lot, man. So this is a great combination for me right here. So inside of it, you got left and right. You got a little indicator light there. And let's take a look at, there's the inside of the case. And here's the bud. So this one is marked right. You got some little contacts there. You got your wing, which is flexible. And then you have a matte finish around here, kind of glossy there on your touchpad. You do have a mic. And before, when I had these were really, really nice. I like the pass-through, or not sure what it's called, but I like that about them. And these were nice. So let's go ahead and get these paired up and check them out. Okay guys, so let's see if we can get these to pair automatically. I got my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 here. So as soon as I open them up, there they are right there. It says connect to the Galaxy Buds Plus. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect. And as you guys see, it says let's pair up. Setting up your phone. And congrats on your new Galaxy Buds Plus. So continue. Stay in touch with your surroundings. Start Spotify from your earbuds. You're all set. So this is the app right here. As you can see, it's showing me the battery percentage. 80% on one, 63% on the other one. The case has 58%. A new version of the software for your earbuds is ready. I will do that later. So this has the ambient sound, which I like. I don't like being closed off, so I'm going to set that to medium. The equalizer, I like bass, so I'm going to set it to bass. Your touch controls, so this is giving you a little tutorial on your different touch. Double tap, triple tap, and you can set this accordingly as you want on your watch. You got read notifications allowed, advanced. So in advanced, you can use ambient sound during calls. You got your lab, find my earbuds, general earbud software update, tips and users manual. So I think that is everything with this app. And like I said, this is only going to be just an unboxing. There are plenty of videos out there about these, and you know, people that's actually use them, but this is just an unboxing, introduce them to my channel. I'll come back in a couple days, let you guys know what I think about these. But these are beautiful, man. So Samsung all the way around. I got the Samsung Galaxy Watch here, now the Buds, the tablet, the Chromebook, the tablet, Will H. Officially Samsung, it looks like. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.